Welcome to 2395 Northridge Trail in Oakville. Welcome to 2395 Northridge Trail, a stunning 4-bedroom Fernbrook home on a premium extra-wide lot in prestigious Joshua Creek. This sought-after floor plan offers up hardwood flooring throughout, 9-foot ceilings, designer lighting, California shutters, a gas fireplace, and a separate dining room. The kitchen boasts quartz countertops, upgraded cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and a breakfast area with a walkout to your interlocking stone patio. The second floor leads you to 4 bedrooms, all with hardwood, and 3 full bathrooms. The master retreat features a separate spa tub and double vanity. The sprawling basement has a rough-in for a bathroom and awaits your finishing touches. The front yard has been meticulously landscaped with a custom widened driveway with interlocking brick, uplighting, and small garden. 2395 Northridge Trail is located on a rarely offered premium fully fenced lot, which is 41 feet across the back of the property. This stunning home is ideally located a short walk to both Joshua Creek Public School and Iroquois Ridge High School. Commuters will love the easy access to highways or a short drive to go. Be sure to call for your viewing today.